Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, the pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the SoFi Credit Card. Overview. The card's primary selling point is how convenient it is. You can manage your banking, investments, loans, and most recently, credit card all in one place with SoFi. Users who want to sign up for all of SoFi's accounts will be able to manage all of their finances on SoFi's user-friendly website and app in one location. The SoFi Credit Card is a cashback credit card. The card may appear to be a top flat-rate rewards credit card with incredibly low interest thanks to great features like unlimited cashback and a reduced APR after 12 on-time payments. The SoFi card is intended for users who want to increase their savings, reduce their debt, or begin investing. Because of this, points only have a 50% value when used in a qualified SoFi account. Per qualified dollar spent, the card awards 2 points, each of which is worth 1 cent when redeemed as a statement credit. To be eligible for the SoFi Credit Card, which is a World Elite MasterCard product, you'll probably need to have at least decent credit or a credit score of 670 or above. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the SoFi Credit Card. Pros. 1. Earn 3% cashback rewards over a year when you set up direct deposit with SoFi. Earn 2% limitless cash back on purchases after that, which may be used with SoFi to invest, save, or pay down an eligible loan. 2. Greeting offer. After receiving approval for the SoFi Credit Card, you can earn up to $200 by funding an invest account together with a checking and savings account. 3. There is no annual fee. 4. Regular APR varies from 12.99% to 24.99%, drops by 1% after 12 months of on-time payments. 5. Has MasterCard World Elite perks, such as phone protection and discounts at Lyft, DoorDash, and other merchants. 6. When you use Lyft 3 times or more every month, you'll receive $5 in credit. 7. ShopRunner offers free 2-day shipping. 8. Benefits of 5% cash back on purchases of HelloFresh. 9. The SoFi Credit Card gently prods you toward financial behaviors that can help you reach your goals with rewards that encourage working towards specific goals. After receiving approval for a SoFi credit card, new account users can receive up to a $100 bonus, $50 when creating a SoFi checking and savings account, and $50 when opening a SoFi Invest account. And although all these pros might be valid for some cardholders, several restrictions limit the card's potential worth. Cons. 1. When points are redeemed as statement credits, their value is reduced by 50% to 0.5 cents each. 2. Must maintain a SoFi checking, savings, or invest account to keep the full amount of incentives. 3. Has a high balance transfer charge and no introductory APR offers. We heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. For those who don't want to be burdened with keeping track of category incentives or redemption criteria, SoFi makes an effort to be a one-stop shop, and the bank offers an appealing combination of rewards, advantages, and tools. The SoFi card has a straightforward and attractive structure and offers good rewards on regular purchases. Earning is simple with this credit card because every purchase results in the same flat rate. It is one of several credit cards that offer limitless 2% cash back on purchases. The card does a great job of avoiding fine print. There aren't any limitations on purchase categories, annual rewards caps, or minimal cash-out requirements to begin with. Furthermore, this card has no yearly or foreign transaction fees. For clients who like to jot things down and then forget about them, this is a simple and easy-to-use card to keep in your wallet. As long as your SoFi account is already set up online, redeeming rewards is simple. You can choose to use your rewards to pay down SoFi loans, transfer rewards to your SoFi banking account, or add rewards to your SoFi Invest balance to obtain the full 2% cash back. As a result, to earn 2% with the card, you'll need to maintain your account open and in good standing. If you don't plan to retain your money in the SoFi ecosystem, you can still receive the entire possible 2% incentives. You may manage your rewards just like any other funds in a checking account if you redeem them into a SoFi banking account. Paying bills, using an ATM to receive cash, and sending money electronically to another bank are all simple processes. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as 6 out of 10, the benefits 8 out of 10, and the lower fees 10 out of 10. The customer experience I would rate as 8 out of 10. As long as you have other SoFi accounts, such as SoFi Checking and Savings, SoFi Invest, SoFi Student Loans, or SoFi Personal Loans, the SoFi Credit Card makes it simple to use your credit card rewards wisely. Although the 2% cash back earning rate is respectable for a credit card with no annual fee, some cardholders may find it annoying to have to remain in the SoFi ecosystem in order to receive it. If you're not a fan of sticking with SoFi, you might want to look into other cashback credit cards that have a comparable rewards rate. The advantages of using this SoFi credit card promote sound money management and may be a useful tool to stay on track while earning rewards at a reasonable rate. By using the benefits to pay off a personal or student debt, or to increase the balance in your savings or investment accounts, you may put the rewards to work for you with the ability to set up direct deposit with SoFi without paying an annual fee and receive 3% cash back for a year. Earn 2% limitless cash back on purchases after that, which may be used with SoFi to invest, save, or pay down an eligible loan. This wraps up my review of the SoFi credit card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.